What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. We're going to be taking a look at this Melonare quad channel wireless microphone system. Let's go ahead and open her up. So right off the bat, some styrofoam. We got all the microphones. As you can tell, there's quite a few. Let's just try to get these out. I think these are, oh, these are headsets. I didn't realize that. There might be a way for me to get this to work with at least a computer. I doubt I'll be able to get it to work with my phone, but if I can get it to work, I get it to work. This is what it looks like, though. You get all these little things. You get these ones that you can put on around your head. It's like a little headset. I've got these ones that I'll probably use that you clip to your shirt and then you plug into the actual interface. Here we got our power adapter. As you can see, this is my first time ever really messing with one of these, so looks like we do have some auxiliary. Oh no, those are XLR. I might be able to plug this into my phone, actually, if I have a adapter. That actually might be feasible. Oh, we got more. So we got the batteries. We've got our quite thick cable. I actually stand by. So I have this, but I doubt it's gonna work though. This is for my headset. It's only got one. It's got the 2 rings, and sometimes that usually means it'll do audio and microphone. We can give it a try. I can try to plug it into my phone and just see what happens. But basically this would plug into the back of here, and then this would plug into my phone. So if that does work, then that does work. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. We'll try it out. Here we've actually got the wireless systems, or whatever. I'm not going to unbox all 4 because there's only 4, and I'll probably end up only using 1. But this is what it looks like. You've got a little clip for your shirt, or your belt, I suppose. And it does take batteries, so you open the front here, you got your set button and your mute button, and we can actually grab 2 of these batteries. Alright, so I got the batteries opened. Let's go ahead and plop them in. And to turn it on, I believe I just bloop. And boom, full batteries. The nice thing that would be, or something I would like to see, maybe for a slightly more expensive variant, is to have it so it charges. So you don't have to worry about batteries, because that can be kind of annoying. Just because, you know, you got to charge it and stuff. But this would, like, clip to my pants here, which you can kind of see here, so that's kind of the idea behind it, is it'll clip to your pants and stuff. And then I can run the cable up, which I will just quickly do, so I can show you what it looks like. I just put these all over here like that. I'm probably going to store a lot of this, because I don't think I'm going to need all of them. Basically, you take this bad boy, and I don't know if these are like the ones that some professional YouTubers use. Oh, it comes with an adapter. Okay, so I actually might be able to plug this into my phone, which would be pretty cool, because this would save me a lot of time for recording, because granted, my Pixel 9 Pro XL has great audio. It's just, you know, an actual microphone would prove useful. Let's try it and see if it works, but if I just connect this, and then I probably would run the cable up, but right now I'm not gonna. And then basically that's on and connected. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put all this back away. I'm gonna use this adapter since it came with it. This is the documentation if you guys are curious. Just got some basic documentation, nothing fancy. Just plop that back in there. Grab the power adapter, put that in there, and we can shut this box since I won't need it anymore. We've got the actual unit itself, and I'll go ahead and plug it into the wall, and if it works, that would be pretty cool, actually. I might have to stop the recording to switch the microphone, which is fine. Let me go ahead and grab this bad boy and go put it back in my computer so I don't forget, and I will be right back once I have everything plugged in and set up. So I messed with it. Unfortunately, there's not a way for me to connect it to my phone. I even tried to connect it to my laptop by just using this, and it just does not work. It doesn't see it. My laptop doesn't see it. I'm going to assume because it's a different type of interface. It's not something my phone recognizes or my laptop recognizes. All right, I don't think this is going to work, but it's a little fine XLR, but let's just try it, see what happens. Okay, I don't know how well you can hear me, but I got a cable. I don't think this is going to work, but we're going to try it. I might have to stop the recording and redo the recording, but if I do, that's fine. So why don't I try to plug it into my laptop? So I allowed it. Let's go to OBS, see if this works. If I can at least get the audio for you, I'll be happy. No audio yet, but let's turn up. Hello, hello. Oh. Oh. It's working. Let me turn the webcam on and I'll show you what the audio sounds like. Stand by. Okay. Should be able to hear me. The webcam's pretty bad. I do apologize for that, but in theory, you should be hearing me right now. And you You should still be able to hear me. I changed the voice. I did a voice changer. You should still be able to hear me. This probably sounds a little weird. You should still be able to hear me. Now it should sound normal. I don't know if this is going to work, but it is showing activity on the laptop, and it's showing activity on here. I don't know if... Testing, testing. Okay, so it's getting audio from 2 different sources. Let's unplug line in, so that's not interfering with anything. It's still getting audio. Okay, so that doesn't do anything. Testing, testing. I'm getting feedback on the fine box along with the audio box. So let me just stop the video and see how the audio sounds. It's going to be kind of hard to tell. I'll grab my headphones so I can kind of hear it. So stand by. Okay, so it works. It just works. I was able to listen to the audio with my headphones and it works. So that's cool. It probably doesn't work on my phone due to like a power limitation. So honestly, I just need to get a camera. So if you guys want to donate, there's a link in the description below. I really do need a camera because this would be a perfect use case for it. If you guys want to buy this, there's a link in the description below. This is how it sounds. It sounds great. It's probably going to sound great if you want to do this redneck setup and use it on your own for your own videos. If you guys want to check it out, link in the description. I do want to thank Melonare for sponsoring this video, and I was glad I was able to test the audio by doing some jank stuff. But I did get this to work. It is working, as you can see. I don't know if it's going to be any different I switched it to dynamic with a little switch down here. If you guys also want to, if you guys want to check this fine box out, there will be a link in the description as well. I actually have 2 of these, and I was having issues with both of them, so I don't know. It's working for this, so if I can get some use out of it, it would be awesome. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I keep rambling. I'm sorry. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out.